This is Kate leaving court. She just lost her restraining order hearing. What's the matter, Kate? How is it? How is it? How is it, Kate? Why is your face all pocky?
Yes, Chille, that's exactly.
This is Kate leaving court. She just lost her restraining order hearing. What's the matter, Kate? How is it? How is it? How is it, Kate? Why is your face all pocky?
Yes, Chille, that's exactly.
What was it like? I have a very, very small window of time. As you guys know, I am in South America with my family. I will just take 2 seconds to go and fix this real quick. I'll go like this, and I will say like this, more actions, delete forever, yes, delete, delete forever. Okay. If everybody would, please hit the like button. Everybody hit the like button. Everybody hit the like button. I literally have 14 minutes and I'm on the river with my family. Thank you guys for coming. I'm gonna just make this as quick as I can so I can just get right to it because there's a list of things that have to happen for this ship to get back to its mission entirely and not have any distractions. So I want to explain this for everybody. Today, I withdrew my lawsuit against Troll Mafia and against Josh Abrams. You guys will be able to check Pacer. I withdrew my lawsuits today. my lawsuits, I voluntarily withdrew my lawsuits. Okay, so there's a few things here. There are a few stipulations to what I'm doing. This is just such a better view, isn't it? So pretty in South America here. There are stipulations. So there's things that other people don't know that you guys aren't aware of yet. So I'm gonna make a list of things here, and I hope that you guys can share this list with the people, and this has to be said now. So I withdrew my lawsuit against Kate and Josh today. And in return for that, I would like Kate and Josh to remove all of their hate videos about me. I would like Kate and Josh to admit that I don't have a Ponzi scheme. I don't blackmail people. Josh will have to admit that I didn't threaten to turn him into his probation officer for doing drugs. I wasn't a part of anybody doing drugs. Josh would have to admit that I was not kicked out of my friend's house in New Hampshire. Kate would have to admit I don't have a Ponzi scheme. Doesn't happen. I don't have it. I don't borrow from one investor to pay back another investor. That doesn't exist, Kate. You're gonna have to retract that. I withdrew my lawsuit today against you. However, in the event that the stipulations are not met, then I'm gonna have to fight for my rights. And so, you know, there's a large difference between harmful speech and free speech. People are running around, the people who I'm suing, Kate and Josh, and saying, oh, free speech, free speech. Your speech hurt me and I can prove it. I have 4 more people I have to mention right now. Do not trust cops. They'll target you and they'll arrest you. Stay away from cops, especially because you're black, young man. Do not go anywhere near pigs. They are bad people. They are the demons of our earth. Just remember that, brother. Remember that, my brother. Dude, I know the law inside and out. The cops did. The cops targeted me.
Oh, that's rich. I know the law inside and out. I had to cut some stuff out right after that, but that I had to keep in.
Me when I was in my 20s, arrested me, charged me with crimes that I didn't do. I had to beat those charges. That's why I don't have a criminal record, because I had to beat charges. I spent so much time in court in my 20s beating charges, and they created the person I am today. And they created the person I am today. You guys back the blue? Never been arrested, have you? A former cop, maybe. Don't trust cops. Don't trust cops. They're terrible people.
Cops are here to protect us.
No, they're not. They're terrible. Cops are terrible people. Cops are horrifically bad people. And I'm going to give them the same opportunity. James Freeman, I'm asking you now to remove your hate videos about me and retract that I beat women and that I batter women. That's the only thing that will stop me from suing you, Mr. Freeman, Mr. James Springer. Dale at Lackluster, you'll have to retract that there is victims of mine. You're just protecting them. Dale, if you don't retract it, then I'm going to have to pursue you because the speech you did was harmful. All 4 people in that video, Josh Abrams, Kate Peter, James Springer, and Dale at Lackluster, you're going to have to retract your statements. I've withdrawn my lawsuit today. I've taken the first step forward toward peace. This is ridiculous. You've slandered my name. I don't batter women. Dale from Lackluster, I don't have any victims. You can't produce any. Nobody can come on camera and say they're a victim of mine. You don't have any. So I get it. Irish Demon and Team Skeptic, remove your hate videos about me. or I'll proceed down the path I've already blazed. But I want you guys to understand something. I'm not suing these folks for free speech. I'm suing them for harmful speech. And if they want to openly retract what they've stated about me, which is false, there are no victims of mine. I've never hurt anybody or scammed anybody out of thousands and thousands of dollars. That hasn't happened. So, I mean, I literally have one debt to one person who I have not paid back yet, and that friend of mine is a dear friend of mine, and as soon as I'm just able, I'll start to drip back payments to him because I owe him some money. And he's a dear friend of mine, a mentor who I love and respect, but I know what my debts are. But the lies that were said about me, the slander that was made about me is not true. I don't batter or beat women. James Freeman. You sat there and said over and over that I batter and I beat women because I lightly pushed Kate away from me after she was all over me and had stalked me down. Woburn? Where do you live? I live in California officially. Okay, so you would have to go to Woburn District Court. Can you spell that? Oh, Josh, you know where it is?
Yeah. Oh, it's tough. Is this like you hang out with bitches like this now? Is this what you do? Yeah, it seems it. That's not true. I've said you're very charismatic, and I've said that you could make an excellent salesman, and I think I've encouraged you to get to gainful employment. Because I think you'd be successful at that. This, you were just pulling that.
You know where it is? What? People in Kate's Discord account, I don't want to be stalked by you. It's inappropriate. There's no victim crying in the street where I need to be stalked by people. It's strange. It's strange. And there are, and how do I know this? Because there are good people who have come over, and I'm surrounded by love. I'm surrounded by my family. I'm seeing a different perspective here. I want to get back to my mission and what I'm doing, and I don't want to spend my time suing people who do good things in the community. I think that Dale from Lackluster and James Springer do good work. Now, we have differences, for sure. We're different. We're not the same. We're different. But that doesn't mean you can say that I have victims and not face me through the legal procedures. So look, Kate over at Troll Mafia, I withdrew my lawsuit today. Take down all your videos. Take them all down. Tell the people I don't have a Ponzi scheme. Tell the people that I don't blackmail people. There's not a long trail. And if there is a long trail of people I've blackmailed, please, anybody I've ever blackmailed, I'm begging you now to go on the Troll Mafia and expose me.
Hey, those gecko ringtones you put on our website are wonderful. People love them.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Turned out nice.
Got another one for you.
Stay away from me, lady! Stay away from me! Get this lady away from me! Get her away! Get away!
Now that's a ringtone.
Yeah, it's interesting. Certainly not the worst ringtone I've ever heard. Yeah, that might be the worst.
It doesn't matter how many times you put him down, he just keeps getting up again.
Why? He just won't stay down.
Uppercut, jab, right hook. He'll always bounce back. Feel the fury! And now available with Trash Talk mode.
Stay away from me, lady! Stay away from me! Get this lady away from me! Get her away! Get away!
Keep moving close to me.
This kid's here. Come on.
Get this lady away from me!
All right, just walk.
Get her away!
Just walk.
Punch back. It's knockout fun. Feel the fury!
But I have long-term girlfriends who, for 5 years, for 7 years, for 3 years, who will tell you that I never beat them.
You lie. You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
It's depressing. It's a little sad.